Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use st7789 with Esp32 S3 version, like connection and TFT ESPI library. Let's get started. I use TFT ESPI library. Before we start, you must be in Download. We are going library installed location, and after read it some define. I show you every detail, just keep follow. Find user setup file and open it. Scroll page slowly. First find st7789 driver and define it. Watch your display version. After uncomment SDI read and then define your display color order. This information writing back of display. If you don't know, try both of them. Define display resolution. Scrolling. Define pin configuration exactly same. Don't touch any font define. You can try different SPI speed. Scroll to end. One more thing important. Uncomment use HSPI port. This define is necessary. Save and exit. Open up next file. User setup select. In this file we are check only one option. User setup.hash must be uncomment. Again save and exit. After open Arduino and go to TFT ESPI library. Click benchmark example and upload code. Now you can see TFT test on display. If you don't see anything, first repeat that all step again. After remove backlight pin, that's gonna be work. That's all. See you in next video.